Delay Delay, Bob Dylan's 1969 super mellow tune. This is perfect for a lazy afternoon strum. 2 rhythms, a nice easy pace and 7 chords you are sure to know. Capo on fret number 2. This gives us more options of open chords. So for those of you that want to do the open chord variations, you can do. If you want to play the bar chords, great stuff, get stuck in. Chord wise, we have G, B minor. If you want to play the open variation, do this one. We have F. If you want to play open F or F/C, that will work perfectly. A minor, E minor, D, and C. We'll start with the 2 rhythms, muted. Rhythm number 1 applies to the intro and the verse. It's a 4-beat pattern, 1 bar long. Down, down, up, down, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Rhythm number 2 applies to the build within the verse. It feels like a pre-chorus. Down, 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 up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Taking you round the sequence of intro chords, we have G, B minor, F, and A minor twice. And this goes with the first strumming pattern. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. We arrive at verse 1 where we've played the chord sequence a further 4 times. 3, 4. Delay, delay. We arrive at a pre-chorus build section now, using the 2nd strumming pattern, starting on a D chord, whatever, E minor, G, in your mind, D, show them to you, G, see them shine. Back to the original rhythm and the original chord sequence for what is essentially the hook. 3, 4. Lay, lady, lay. This format plays every time there's a new verse section. The only section that now has a different chord sequence is the middle section, which for the most part plays the 2nd strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, B minor. We then hit D, E minor, G. So for those last 2 bars there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The next line plays down, 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 up, B minor, G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. The 3rd line's the same as the first. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Final line goes from B minor to A minor. Playing that all together in one sequence. 3, 4. Why wait any longer? quick mention of the outro of the song. Once all the singing is finished, we play out with these chords. G, A minor, B minor, C, G. Here is a playthrough of the intro, verse 1 pre-chorus, chorus, to give you an idea of how that fits together.